Totally accurate battle simulator. Hello. I'm playing Tail. Tribunal. Okay. If you do not know what Tabs is, it's a very fun game going from caveman time to our time, except without technology, so kind of sad, but yes. If you would like to see, there are many different things you can place down. The Bone Mage, I like them. Musketeers, the 4 Musketeers. The king gave us some squires, only 4 squires, yay! Woo! We're gonna play as one. If you press F, you can play as one. They sound very weird. I know. Let's try to steal one. Oh man. Yeah, we win. So pretty much you go from every single legacy. You go up one by one. A halfling are very small. Harvester. I like harvesters. They look like a Grim Reaper, but not. That's the non-special. Where is it? Secrets. You go around the map, and you usually find just secrets. It has like special units. Chinese. Duh. Dragon. Well, that was not fun. I think I know what to do. Musketeers. Boom. Blue 1. I just like going with all my secret. A horse. Ooh, I know what to do. That's a old horse. I swear I have some secrets. Secrets. Oh yeah, there's lasso. Let's start. Well, that was fun. But yeah, these are the 3. This is the triangle of doom. My bodyguards are cactus men. Boom! Quick scope. I love quick scoping. When old people say death is just around the corner, they are right. Oh wait, that's not it. The Grim Reaper. Oh, why? Wait, I know just what to do. Because this looks more like a voodoo guy. Skeleton warriors. I summon Count Dracula. Yum yum yum. Count Dracula's. To the Vikings. Not really. Let's bring a few I summon Zeus. Oh god, I stabbed that guy. Sorry, man. Oh, a Minotaur! That's what it was. Where is it? Secrets. This will be lethal. Why are you being Zeus? The power of light against the power of darkness. It will happen. The Grim Reaper against Zeus. That's what I thought. I know what to do. And the Skeleton King will join them. I suppose. Kill the skeleton. We win. We'll just summon the giant race. If you're wondering on how you get these elite heroes, it's a lot of looking around the maps. Yeah, let's battle. I like what I did. Well, that's gonna end it. I think I'm dead. Yeah. See y'all. Goodbye.